Hi, welcome back. In the context of proper decision making, we were talking about several famous experiments that are showcasing the brain activity that is needed, how the brain waves interact with each other. I mean, ranges of brain waves, alpha, beta, gamma waves, especially the alpha gamma waves that interact very strongly with each other in events of collecting information that is needed to run some analysis and the focusing on a task at hand. Those two events that are present in multiple activities of decision making, at least in the process of decision making, they are very high consuming of resources by the brain. As an example, we saw the invisible gorilla experiment. Participants with the task of following closely the development of a basketball game with the goal to count the number of passes they were doing, an invisible gorilla walking into the court and being not visible to the people which had the focus on counting the number of passes. It was explained through scientific means that during those events our brains get really busy collecting information that is surrounding us. Cannot help doing that, and in order to do that it needs a really high frequency like the gamma waves, as high as 35 to 100 plus hertz per second. That is really high. That activity gets counterbalanced by the alpha waves, which tend to get us more relaxed, and in doing so it might run into dropping important events that alpha waves deem not important to us. So that's why it's so important to create a balance between alpha waves and gamma waves in our brains to make the most of our research, of an analysis that will ultimately conduct us, that lead us into this so awaited decision making. We said that in order to achieve that balance, it's good to have espresso in the morning and green tea in the afternoon. Green tea at 75 Celsius degrees brewed, not late in the afternoon, never at night, at risk of sleep deprivation. Enjoy.